Alright, here's a quick video on Screencastify and how to submit that to your teachers. So first things first, you need to add the extension. You go to screencastify.com. You're going to click on the blue button. Yours will be blue. It'll, where I've got it already installed, it'll say something like add to Chrome or install with Chrome or something along those lines. You'll click on that, kind of follow the steps and install it. I've already done that, so I can't show you that here. Once you're done though, it's going to add an extension like the one that's here. So it's got an arrow with a camera taken out of it. You'll see it up top here as well. When you're ready to record, we just go ahead and click on that button, that extension up there, and you've got 3 different ways that you can record your video. So you can record browser tab. That means that it's going to record everything on a single tab. So if you needed to go between tabs for your notes or for something else, you can click on that one and it's only going to show, say, your slides if you only wanted your slides, or just what's on that one tab. Next is desktop. This records everything on your desktop. So it's recording everything that I've got as I click through tabs and go through other areas. That's the one I typically use. So desktop is great because it's recording all of your screen. Next is webcam only. So this is just as if you were recording yourself with a video camera through your webcam. So it's what you see in Zoom, all that stuff. That's what webcam only is. It's going to record just you. Now, down below you've got some options and some settings that you want to check before you start. You want to make sure that this little green bar is going up and down. If it's not, then that means that your microphone is not, the correct one is not selected. So you just click this drop down menu, make sure you select the correct microphone, and you'll be good to go. Next is embed webcam. So if you want to record your desktop and have a small video of yourself in the bottom corner, you can do that. So this will allow you to do that. Sometimes that's helpful when you're trying to explain things and show things. You can use both at the same time, and some of your teachers may ask you to do so. You've also got more options down below here. So there's a countdown. This is like when you click the record button, it's going to wait 10 seconds before it actually starts recording. You can adjust this to 3 or 5 seconds. I like 10 seconds. It gives me a chance to breathe, take a quick second, make sure everything's good to go. Also, a little screen will pop up that's going to say show or hide because you're sharing your screen. I like to have that extra time to hide that before I get started. You've also got an option for drawing tools. I'd recommend leaving this on. So this will be a little bar of tools that'll show up in the bottom left hand corner, and this has things like pausing, playing, adding annotations, all that stuff on there. So I'd recommend leaving that on. And then system audio, the last setting here, is to record any sound that your computer would make. So if you're going through your computer and you want to hear the clicks, or say you're making something that's got sound in it, this will allow you to record that sound also. Alright, to get started, again, you just click on one of these 3 tabs, whichever one works best, make sure your settings are set, and then you click the record button. Once we click record, if you're doing a shared screen, it may ask you which screen you want to use. I've got 3 different screens going on, so just wanted to record this first one. I click hide. It's got that 6 seconds. I can take that breath, and then you can also see my little tools down below. Now it's recording my video, so it's going. When I'm done, or if I wanted to, I could use the pen and I could draw on the screen. I can erase it if I want to erase parts of it, and go through that process. So that's helpful for pointing things out as you're going along. When you're done, you click on this little pause recording, and you'll notice when I'm looking at this, Alt-Shift-P. So if you hit Alt-Shift and P at the same time, it's the same. That's the shortcut. So if this bar ever closes for some reason, Alt-Shift-P is very helpful for you. So when you're done, you'll click on this end recording button, the stop button, and then it's going to take you straight over to the Screencastify screen, and it automatically updates it to or uploads it to your Google Drive. So it's already in my drive, it's ready to go. If you've got a longer video, it might take longer, and it'll say loading over here. When you're done, you're probably going to want to turn this into your Google Classroom. So you can click on this copy shareable link, and you could go over and submit it that way, or you can click on this shared classroom button, and when you do so, it's going to pop up this little box and is going to list all your classes. So let's see, let's go to one of mine. Here's one of my classes, and then down below here I can choose an assignment and I could attach it to that assignment. So here's an assignment I have coming up for this class. I could click on that and click go, and then it's going to submit it to my teacher, or add it to there for me. So kind of cool. Hopefully Screencastify helps so you can record what's going on, what you're doing, and hopefully this video helped.